Greetings, my beautiful people. I will do another reaction. It has been a long time that I haven't done any reaction. This time the title is called Check Sound DARI PUSAT SATU per SATU SAMPAI JADI. It means check sound from the center one by one until finished. The video has been uploaded 2 years ago with 3.8 million views, and I'm making this reaction because I love Dangdut music, I love the culture, and here we go.
And he's smiling.
Ayo cek sana. Gendang. Wes tak cek sudah Pak. Ayo cek sana. Gendang. Tak kamu gak di Pak. Tak. Dute guaring. Nah, ini enak guys. Pas rame Pak. Munggah didik. Pas ram. Oke.
Till now I have only seen one GoPro that is standing at the drummer. We cannot see any other drums or video that is filming another artist.
Pas gitar. Jero Pak, jero. Akeh iki. Ada nih gas.
Gereng hur, kamu apa tak? Gereng, Pak.
Oh iya.
Ganti cek tak? Tak ganti kru.
Oke. Ya wis cukup Pak. Saya kita borin.
Wih, cukup, samperin.
Terus. Sing monitor ngarep iki Dona Didi. Nah, wis ya. Oke, saiki piano.
Well, I took 1 minute and 50 seconds to hear the second instrument.
Kurang apa, Mas? Munggah terus. Oke, piano cukup. Rhythm.
Now I'm just wondering, the drummer, suddenly he's moving with his feet and he's smiling.
Triple munggah. Nah, volumenya angkat ini. Oke, sip. String. Apa ini gawe cek stereo iki. Ya. Nah. Munggah mana Didi?
We can hear that the sound is getting more to the rhythm.
Masuk mu di sesi. Ayo melodi saiki. Aike munggah Pak, Soleh. sulinge. Gak metu nang kene, gak metu. Gak metu.
I cannot do anything about it, that it takes so long. But till now the music and the sound rhythm is getting better.
Isolasi dah, Pak. Isolasi. Kamu tuh wis. Efeknya melok jopo, Pak ya.
Voila, now we have another instrument that we can hear after 4 minutes and 45 seconds.
Sekwil panggung sama nakan ini kabeh. Sampai doe. SR wis cukup, sampai doe. Nah, sip. Oke, wis jopo, Pak.
He really makes so great video with his drumming on his other videos. I think we all know him. The couple of times I really love his channel and his music. I really love it. What a lot of people really love about Dangdut, the music, is the combination between the drumming and the flute. This combination that we can hear, we see it only, we can only hear it in Indonesia. What I have also wondered till now is, I was waiting for a voice, but till now nobody's singing, but maybe somebody will sing in a couple of minutes. I really love the rhythm of this music. It's really like I could really listen to it the whole day. It really stays my soul and my head's, I mean, mental, really relaxing. It's a really beautiful rhythm of the sound that we are listening from Dangdut. So we can see that it's like, oh, that's not a microphone. That's literally like a blowing instrument that is looks like a flute. So we have like two people using a flute, two people using a bass, one guitarist, two pianists, and we have a shaker. I'm pretty sure, but what I think is these two bands, they have done like an corporation, because we all know Koplotan. I mean, I know Koplotan and also ASIC music. So they have chosen to do a combination with the two bands together to make Dangdut music. And it really hears very beautiful till now. I think this man, he can also even really dance. I have already seen a video from him a couple of years ago. And it was very funny. For me, it's also the first time listening to a Dangdut that takes really long, but are really beautiful. And I do not hear often Dangdut that we cannot hear any voice on it, because nobody is singing. To be very honest, they could make like 1 hour, 2 hours of an event like this. Like this beautiful event, this video that we are seeing here, that takes only 30 minutes, they could performance for 1, 2, 3 hours. Because the rhythm that we are listening is always like continue we don't hear any end coming in this video, but I really love it. It's really so relaxing. What I really like, this man over there, the shaker, he often laughs in this video. I mean also on the other videos. I like the way that he's laughing. Mantap. La la.
Siapa ya? Wes ya. Ya saya mudun sik ganti seragam nang.
Voila, ladies
Wes,
and
Pak.
gentlemen.
Oke, Pak.
Luar biasa mantap. Oh, aku cantik. I was really loving this band. They have done such a great performance. I was really loving the 30 minutes of this amazing band, especially the sound, and I really love Dangdut. So let me know if you love Dangdut. Let me know in the comments. If you're watching, really let me know which part of Indonesia are you watching. This very small YouTube channel with only 9,300 subscribers. If you're new, also for the people who are watching this, feel free to subscribe that bell. For the rest, I wish everybody a lot of love and happiness, especially what is happening around the world. I'm not going too much into details. Stay safe, be happy with the things that you have, and if you like this kind of content, you can feel free to subscribe. I wish you happiness and love. See you on the next one.